showcases a large-scale radio-controlled RC model of the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber. The model perfectly replicates the iconic flying wing shape and dark grey radar-absorbent look of the real aircraft. The footage often includes the pilot's perspective as they launch the aircraft by hand, demonstrating the model's remarkable stability during flight. We see it performing smooth, low passes and high-speed runs, illustrating the aerodynamic grace of the original design, often powered by concealed ducted fans or propellers. It's a testament to model engineering, proving the B-2's unique shape can fly effectively even at a small scale.